Have you ever wondered how billionaires like Donald Trump build empires from bricks and mortar? In this video, we'll uncover the blueprint behind Trump's real estate success, breaking down the strategies, lessons, and mindset that turned his name into a global brand. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious beginner, you'll discover practical insights that can reshape your own journey in real estate. From negotiation tactics to navigating setbacks, we'll analyze his methods step by step, revealing if and how they can work for you. Stick with us as we unlock the secrets of Trump's iconic ventures. And by the end, you might just be ready to take your first step toward building your own empire. The Trump legacy in real estate, a bold beginning. Donald Trump's real estate journey began with the foundation laid by his father, Fred Trump, a successful developer in New York. Trump's first major project, the transformation of the Commodore Hotel into the Grand Hyatt in Manhattan, showcased his boldness and vision. This success cemented his reputation as a risk-taker unafraid to tackle ambitious projects. Over the years, Trump has built an empire that includes skyscrapers, golf courses, and luxury resorts, with iconic properties like Trump Tower becoming global landmarks. His ability to recognize potential in undervalued assets and breathe new life into them remains a hallmark of his approach. Understanding Trump's beginnings helps us appreciate how leveraging family knowledge, market trends, and bold decision-making can kickstart a real estate journey. The art of the deal. Trump's core principles. At the heart of Trump's success is his book, The Art of the Deal, which outlines his approach to business and negotiation. His principles emphasize preparation, persistence, and identifying win-win opportunities. Trump famously believes in aiming high and pushing boundaries while remaining flexible to adapt to changing circumstances. One key aspect is his knack for creating urgency during negotiations, securing favorable terms. These principles are not just for billion-dollar deals. They apply to everyday negotiations, such as buying a property below market value or structuring favorable financing terms. By mastering these strategies, anyone can enhance their ability to negotiate and seize profitable opportunities, laying the groundwork for long-term success in real estate or other ventures. Location, location, location. Trump's approach to property selection. Trump's real estate investments consistently demonstrate the importance of location. From Manhattan skyscrapers to beachfront resorts, he has a talent for selecting properties in high-demand areas with long-term growth potential. For example, Trump Tower was strategically built on Fifth Avenue, a location synonymous with luxury and prestige. Beyond location, he evaluates factors like local economic trends, demand-supply balance, and future development plans. The lesson for aspiring investors is clear. Understanding the market and choosing properties in prime areas significantly increases the chances of success. While not everyone can afford premium locations, spotting up-and-coming neighborhoods with growth potential is a smart, Trump-inspired strategy that can yield high returns. The power of branding. Turning properties into landmarks. Trump's properties are more than buildings, they're brands. He has successfully turned his name into a symbol of luxury, opulence, and exclusivity. Branding has allowed him to charge premium prices for properties and attract high-value tenants. For example, properties like Trump International Hotel and Tower are synonymous with excellence, drawing clientele willing to pay top dollar. Branding adds an intangible value that enhances the desirability of a property. Aspiring real estate investors can learn from this by creating their own brand, whether through unique aesthetics, outstanding service, or targeting a specific market niche. Branding isn't just for billionaires, it's an accessible way to stand out in any competitive market and attract the right buyers or tenants. Leveraging other people's money, the financing genius. Trump's ability to secure funding for massive projects is legendary. He often uses other people's money, through partnerships, loans, or strategic collaborations, to finance his ventures. This approach minimizes his personal risk while maximizing returns. For instance, Trump financed the Grand Hyatt project with significant tax breaks and bank loans rather than his own funds. By understanding and using financial tools, including leverage, aspiring investors can acquire properties they might otherwise find out of reach. The key takeaway is learning to use financial resources creatively while managing risks effectively. Success doesn't always require having millions up front. It's about leveraging relationships, resources, and opportunities to create wealth. Weathering the storms. Lessons from Trump's setbacks. Even Trump has faced significant failures, including bankruptcy filings and market crashes. However, his ability to recover and pivot is a testament to his resilience. Trump often views setbacks as learning opportunities, using them to adapt his strategies for future success. For instance, during the 1990s financial crisis, Trump renegotiated loans and refocused his efforts on branding and licensing deals. These experiences underline the importance of perseverance and creative problem-solving in real estate. Aspiring investors can draw inspiration from Trump's resilience by preparing for challenges, maintaining a positive outlook, and finding innovative solutions to obstacles, ensuring long-term survival in the volatile real estate market. Thinking big. Trump's vision for large-scale investments. Trump's preference for large-scale, high-profile projects is a defining feature of his strategy. From skyscrapers to golf resorts, he aims to create developments that dominate skylines and headlines. His willingness to think big stems from his belief that larger projects attract more attention and yield higher returns. For everyday investors, this doesn't mean starting with billion-dollar deals. It means having a vision and setting ambitious goals. By scaling gradually while keeping the bigger picture in mind, you can emulate Trump's approach in a practical way. Thinking big involves confidence, strategic planning, and a willingness to take calculated risks, transforming ordinary investments into extraordinary opportunities. Risk management, knowing when to hold and when to fold. Trump's real estate career is marked by his ability to manage risk effectively. He carefully analyzes markets, timing, and project feasibility before making decisions. When projects face challenges, he knows when to cut losses and when to double down. For example, Trump exited certain markets during downturns to minimize losses and shifted focus to ventures with more promising prospects. For aspiring investors, the lesson is clear. Risk is inevitable, but managing it well is crucial. Conduct thorough research, diversify your portfolio, and stay vigilant about market trends. Knowing when to hold and when to pivot can mean the difference between success and failure. The role of networking. Building connections like Trump. Trump's success is not just about money or strategy. It's about people. He has built a vast network of influential partners, contractors, and financiers. These connections have helped him secure deals, navigate challenges, and expand his empire. Networking is equally critical for aspiring investors. Building relationships with real estate agents, lenders, contractors, and mentors opens doors to opportunities, guidance, and resources. Successful networking is about creating value for others while expanding your reach. Trump's example teaches us that who you know can often be just as important as what you know in the real estate world. Adaptability. Navigating changing markets. Trump's ability to adapt to changing market conditions has been key to his longevity in real estate. Whether it's shifting from residential to commercial properties or leveraging global markets, he stays ahead by embracing change. For instance, during economic downturns, Trump focused on licensing his brand, creating revenue streams beyond traditional development. Adaptability is essential for all investors, as real estate markets are dynamic and influenced by economic shifts, policy changes, and consumer trends. Staying informed, being open to new strategies, and diversifying investments are ways to emulate this approach and thrive in any market condition. Thank you for joining us on this journey into Donald Trump's real estate blueprint. We hope these strategies inspire you to take action and explore opportunities in real estate. Remember, success begins with a single step, and with the right mindset, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Finance Forward for more content like this. Share this video with someone who dreams of building their own empire. And stay tuned for our next episode. Your future in real estate starts now. Let's move forward together.